In this video, I'll show you how to become a BB affiliate partner. First, scroll down to the video description and click the link to reach this page. It's a guide on becoming a crypto exchange partner. For BB, commissions can reach up to 45%. As I'm partnered with all these exchanges, I can maximize your commissions without volume requirements. Once done, we'll quickly activate your affiliate program. This video focuses on Bybit registration. Just click register here to create an account, then click the affiliate form to fill in your details. After that, send me your newly registered UID and I'll activate and boost your commissions. Now, at the top here, I'm supporting these 7 transactions. I'll update more later. Here's my contact info. This is a message template you can use to activate the program. Just include the platform name like Bybit, for example. You can send it via email, Telegram, or Facebook. Now I'll guide you through registering for Bybit's affiliate program. First, click here to register. Simply enter your email and password, then click Login. Okay, I've entered my email and password. Now I'll click Register. Scroll down here. Check your email for the code Bybit sent. Enter it like this. You've now registered your Bybit account. Go back to the article, click on the affiliate form, then click this button to fill it out. Finally, click here. To authorize the Bybit affiliate page with the account you just created, proceed as follows and it will appear in the account you just registered. This is the UID. Send it to me so I can activate it for you. Then, for the YouTube channel, here you can enter your YouTube channel link. Paste it here. If you have one, paste yours. If not, go to your YouTube channel, copy your YouTube link, and simply enter it here. Your language is set to English, and your country is set. Then your name, that's it, you're done. Then you can enter your Telegram, WhatsApp, WeChat, whichever one you have, just enter your contact information. Here is your contact information on Telegram. You can find this after hitting submit. If you haven't entered the YouTube channel, you can find the channel is Crypto Guru Pro. Here is my channel link. You can take and paste it here, then hit submit, and you will receive an email. Return to this Gmail. Here's the OTP code. Then write it down and click verify email. Once done, you'll send me your UID. You can do this via email, Telegram, or Facebook. Any works. You can email me directly like this. Here's a sample message template. Paste your name and UID. For the UID, go back to bybit.com, click on the profile icon, and you'll find your UID at the bottom or here. Just send me that UID and you're all set. For the MSC platform, it's similar. After registering for an MESC account, fill out the form. You can use my YouTube channel in the referral field. Then message me. For other platforms, you don't need to fill out a form, just register an account there, then send me your UID.